Hello everyone, welcome to HackerOne HC with me. This is Sanjay. So today back with an interesting topic and interesting video. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you some of few informations about Raspberry Pi. So some people may know about Raspberry Pi and what is Raspberry Pi. So some of you may not know about or not familiar about Raspberry Pi. So Raspberry Pi is a PC, mini PC, which was found in 2012. The journey started ago 8 years back. So what is the meaning of Raspberry Pi is it is a mini CPUs. So for example, you can name it as pocket PC or carryable PC or something like your laptops. You can carry it away anyway. So we are going to see what is mean by that and some of the cool features of Raspberry Pi and how to use and Raspberry Pi as an PC. And you may also ask and doubt or a doubt may be arising with you that this Raspberry Pi can replace your real-time desktop or laptop. So we are going to see that questions answer although also in this video. So don't skip this video, watch till the end. And if you are visiting for the for our channel for the first time, please subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, please like this video and share it to your friends. And you often watch our videos but I am not your subscriber, please subscribe to our channel. So hereafter we are going to post an interesting videos. And if you are not following me in Instagram, please follow, the link is in the description. So let's go on to the video. So Raspberry Pi, this journey as I told you was started ago 8 years back. So their first module is Raspberry Pi Zero. So this Raspberry Pi Zero has a memory card slot and 512 MB of RAM and a quad core processor and two PowerPoint. So PowerPoint in the sense USB B type to PowerPoint, which you from that you will be able to boot up the Pi, and a display port or an camera port you can switch at that, and a HDMI port. So also it has 512 MB of RAM and a Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi module. So this like this only the Raspberry Pi's journey was started with the Raspberry Pi Zero. So it became very familiar. So what is the main purpose for releasing this Raspberry Pi, and for what purpose it can be used in this sense? So you may also heard another board which is very familiar to Raspberry Pi, but it is not an PC, it is a project board. So if you are doing any DIY projects, so you can also use that and this Raspberry Pi for that project. So for that board is named as Arduino. So Arduino UNO, Atmega and many more. If you don't know about Arduino, I will provide link in the description, so please watch it and like this Arduino. So Raspberry Pi also and familiar with that. So you will be able to make DIY projects based on IoT and electronics. So this may be used by many engineering students, but the thing is in our India, so nobody is familiar with Raspberry Pi. They just know what is Raspberry Pi, but they don't know to program or anything. So I am telling the current generation which is going on there, but the upcoming generations are getting up to ready for Raspberry Pi. The reason is because they all know about Arduino. So they are the current generation engineering students are very much familiar about Arduino, because that uses the language C++ or C or Java or anything. So Python also can be used in that, but in Raspberry Pi only Python is able to be used. And one more thing, you will be able to find any codes or any DIY projects which you are going to do, any codes that can be found in the GitHub. So you just need to clone it, and you just need to open it, and you just need to run it. So there are very basic commands which we are using in our termix is used in this Raspberry Pi. But about the Arduino, you have to be a programmer, and no code can be found anywhere easily. Some may ask you to you for the money for programming. So there is the problem arises in Arduino. So let's not talk more about Arduino. So go on to our Raspberry Pi. So there are 3 to 4 models in Raspberry Pi. First model is Raspberry Pi 0 and Raspberry Pi 2 and Raspberry Pi 3, 3 plus B and Raspberry Pi 4. So this Raspberry Pi 4 can be replaced as your desktop. So I will tell you why is it. So this is the Raspberry Pi 2 which I am showing you now. So this has an Raspberry Pi 0 has a mini HDMI cable, and this Raspberry Pi 2 and 3 and 4 will be having a original normal HDMI cable and HDMI port, and you may also get an audio output 3.5 mm jack audio jack from this Raspberry Pi 2, and you will be getting a 20 GPO pins for the DIY projects. And I am also used it for many times for my DIY projects. It is a cool stuff, but you need some displays, display like a monitor or 7-inch display. It may be a touch or TFT, but the display must to be there. If you are using a monitor, you have to connect your VGA within VGA to HDMI converter, so then only you will be able to connect the Raspberry Pi with it. So if you are using a normal TFT or touch display 7-inch or it may be 3.5-inch display, you can use this port for connecting. And so here they use an USB B type for for booting up, for power up, and this SD card slot is meant for the hard disk. So here hard disk is like an memory card. Memory card is the hard disk for this Raspberry Pi. So all the versions of this Raspberry Pi uses only the memory card to boot up. So if we will be, if you are interested more in this Raspberry Pi, please comment in the comment box. So in upcoming versions in our upcoming videos, I can also upload a series on this based on this Raspberry Pi. So you will be able to know more about Raspberry Pi. So this is the Raspberry Pi 4 module which was released recently in 2020. So what they did is and this is the Raspberry Pi 2 and 3 also you can get this port. This is for the display. So and from Raspberry Pi 2 you'll be able to getting Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth version of 5 and Wi-Fi 108.11 module, so which is the latest and current trend modules. And you can also use a heat sink here for the Raspberry Pi to not heat for more. And here they use I think USB-C type they are using. I don't know much about Raspberry Pi 4 because I have owned only Raspberry Pi 3, and they are back with their normal old which they have been using for the Raspberry Pi 0. So small HDMI port, so small HDMI small. So Raspberry Pi 4, 3 and 2 are USB 2 types. USB 2 version of 2 are there as 2, and USB 3 version are there as 4. So totally it is a combination of 4 USBs, and Ethernet gigabit Ethernet cable connection. So if you are trying to attach an internet connection with your Raspberry Pi, you can directly connect it with an wire. And Raspberry Pi 4 has an micro HDMI ports. So two ports they are availing here with 4K displays. And for power supply, USB-C type they are using in Raspberry Pi 4, but Raspberry Pi 3 uses only USB B type. And more powerful processor, they have used new processor, and RAM 1 GB of RAM is available in Raspberry Pi 4, and 2 GB of RAM is available in Raspberry Pi 4, and 4 GB of RAM. So in all these versions, Raspberry Pi 4 with 4 GB of RAM can definitely replace your desktop or laptop. I am damn 100% sure with it. And the reason why I say, because this Raspberry Pi usually have an high GPU memory, so it comes along with for my Raspberry Pi 3 around 1.5 GB of GPU, I mean graphics memory inbuilt. So this may be an definite good CPU at a cheaper price. So let us all we see the price at the end of this video. And yeah, as I told, what is Raspberry Pi, and this is the Raspberry Pi 3 which I am currently using it. So as you can see here, USB type B is here, and they have made some more changes here, I think so. Yes, on Raspberry Pi 4 they changed the Ethernet cable connection to the from left to right. So these are the things. And the price, if you see, Raspberry Pi 0 comes around 1500 in India, and Raspberry Pi 2 some 2500, around 2500, and Raspberry Pi 3 costs nearly 4000. And all the models of Raspberry Pi 3B 3B and 3B plus, so these all cost 3500 to 4000. So this is the maximum. I have bought recently last year November month, I think so, Raspberry Pi 3B plus module. So that model cost me that time 990 rupees, so nearly 4000. And Raspberry Pi 4 coming in India, it is nearly costing around 6000. So if you want 4 GB of RAM and this Raspberry Pi 4, so it costs around 4000, I mean 6000 for you. And if you ask me that this is a good deal, yes, this is a good deal if you have a laptop, old laptop display which works perfectly and fine, or if you own any monitor with you which is very old, you can definitely buy this and make as your mini CPU. It will be working very fine comparing to the other computers. So they are all, the budgets are very high comparing to this Raspberry Pi. So, and coming back, you need an you can be also using a wireless mouse or keyboard, or normal wired mouse or keyboard. If you wanted to buy their official mouse and keyboard, you can visit their official website. So because many are selling the fake Raspberry Pi mouse and keyboard. And what to say, and coming back to the softwares, what are all the softwares we can use in this Raspberry Pi, or you can use Linux and Android, any version of Android up to Android 9 you will be able to use in this Raspberry Pi. And Kodi, so Kodi is an software operating system which is like to make your system like a smart TV or anything. You will be not able to do the things which are all happening in desktop, but you will be able to view your Facebook and YouTube and many other. So it will be like your smart TV. And some more their official OS which is called Raspberry OS. So that Raspberry and OS is works perfectly. You have a light of that and you have a full version of it, so you'll be able to use very fine. And you can also use Windows 10 IoT core, not the normal version, IoT core. So remember, IoT core is not a good choice for you guys. I have also tried for one time, it is a bad experience for me. So only you will be able to browse and you will be able to open the terminal, so that's all. And if you are buying Raspberry Pi 4, then you will be able to run Windows 10. So there are many alternatives for this Raspberry Pi also, like Late Panda and everything. So we will be talking more about in the upcoming further videos. So thanks for watching, guys. Uh, Keep supporting us. That's all from HackerOneHC today. Bye, guys.